How do I reset my Haier washing machine?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to tackle a commonly faced issue with Haier washing machines: how to reset it. This can help resolve minor technical glitches or problems you might be experiencing. Remember, this guide will help you through a general process of resetting, but it may vary slightly based on your specific model.
Why reset your Haier washing machine?
Resetting your Haier washing machine is a basic troubleshooting step which could resolve many issues such as your machine not starting, not spinning, or not draining properly. It's like giving your machine a fresh start. It's important to note that a reset won't fix major hardware issues, and if problems persist after a reset, you may need to contact a professional.
Preparing for the reset.
Before you start the reset process, make sure that the washing machine is not running a cycle, and that it's plugged into a working power outlet. If your machine was in the middle of a cycle, you'll need to cancel it first. Never try to reset the washing machine while it's in operation.
Performing the reset.
Now, onto the actual reset. Here's how you can do it. 1. Turn off your Haier washing machine by pressing the power button. 2. Unplug your washing machine from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Plug the washing machine back in and turn it on by pressing the power button again. This simple series of actions should reset the system within your Haier washing machine. This doesn't erase any saved settings or cycles, but it can clear out minor glitches or bugs.
Checking if the reset worked.
After the reset, check if the issue you were having has been resolved. Try running a short cycle to see if the washing machine operates as it should. If the problem persists, you may need to consult with a Haier technician or a professional appliance repair service. And that's how you reset a Haier washing machine. It's a simple but effective method to troubleshoot minor problems. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it gets your washing machine back up and running smoothly. Remember, if problems persist after the reset, it's best to consult with a professional. Thanks for watching.